Abdullah both the car and still red color car is ready. Silver is second position. Red color car in third lap. Silver car also in third lap and silver car is ready now. Just see in the race. Come on, master. Red car, make it as impressive. Red Abdullah both the car and silver color car is ready. Both the car in fourth lap now. And silver color car is ready. Come on, now both the car moving in same speed. And again red color car is ready. Be slow turn, little bit fast on straight path. And silver color car in final lap, red car also in final lap. Both the car in final lap and still silver color car is ready. Final lap and silver color car near the finishing point now. Red car also near the finishing point and yes, red car will